Okay, we're gonna make another tool. For tonight, what I want to try doing is making. Um, Basically, I'm kind of sick of going through eBay and not finding what I'm looking for at a good price. So it's a completely clean install, which is good enough. Right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if we can make a tool that is like it has. So what we want is Duel Masters set and then Duel Masters card. And then filter it. Let's just type in. Let me see what filters I need to put on it. You can't, because that's our you always. That's our default. So we want language English. This doesn't have all the right. Oh, there you go. That's what I want. Yeah. Okay. Right. So we want rarity doesn't matter. Card type doesn't matter because basically it just needs to look up the name. Condition doesn't really matter. Features. Uh, hmm. Not graded. Game won't matter. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of these. Maybe my actual eBay would be better example. So we need it to have the language. We need it on buy it now. And we need it on sorts. Lowest price plus PSP. So that's kind of what we need to be doing here. And then that way I can figure out ow, ow, ow. 2/3. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try and be doing. That's the one I used to own. Read description. What's wrong with it? Fuck me. Apparently this doesn't work. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. Alright. So that's what we're going to try and do. Oh, boy. Okay. What are you? URL. URL. Okay. If I can find out what these two specifically always have, then we can figure out that. If you're working on something like your simulator, it is definitely a tool. Okay. Here's what I have in mind. A Duel Masters eBay check. This GUI have two drop-down menus. The first will be the set, and the second will then be filtered to what's in that set. When you pick a card, it will then search eBay for that specific card with specific filters for English cards, language English, buy it now, plus P and P, and also, do we do it so it's only in the UK? Yeah, fuck it, let's just do it so that makes it very hard to and locate it. Okay. Then we can either have it so it brings up a list of listings that match that criteria. or have it so it opens a browser window to the specific listing. Click from. That doesn't look right. £150 to £2. Yeah, this makes sense. It was sold out. General Dark Fiend. That's not bad for £2, genuinely. Draglide is a rip-off at any price. Armor Cannon Barbaro, General Cavalry, General Curatops, Jogun Marauder, Gigageel. It will search for you and specific. It will create. It won't search. It will then list of eBay listings for that. Populate a window with a list of eBay listings for that specific car with specific filters for those. You can either have it bring up the search listings or give it a minute to think. So I was looking earlier and I found like like not all the cards in the like I mean what is it, Roaring Crate? Like even that's only like you know not that expensive considering. Yeah, that's pretty fucking good condition. Not just as a toy, as a general use of collector's tool for Duel Masters, especially where listings can be sparse and consistently named and scattered across sellers. The shape of this app makes sense. Drop one set, drop down two cards filtered results, pane matching listing with image, title, price, postage, total seller condition, and link. That's clean. Best version, use of eBay Browse API. We can do that. That gives you structured data like title, image, price, item, location, blah blah blah. The API's search method is designed for item summary retrieval, and item summary is included buying options such as fixed price. Your filters are sensible, but one needs care. Located in the UK, you can use items, location fields, and results. Though you'll want to decide whether that means seller physically in the UK or merely ships to the UK. That's a good point. Okay. Lowest price, very good, but there's one field where you should calculate a true total yourself in the app. Yeah, okay, fine. This is an awkward one. eBay listings do expose item specifics, but language is not guaranteed to be consistently present. That's fair. Make it a search and launch tool. User picks, set and card. App fetches results. Show thumbnail, title. Yep, cool. Okay. The biggest practical challenge won't actually be the GUI. It'll be normalizing the card names and search strings so eBay finds the right things. Maybe if we local card database to search cards, eBay browse API search backend, compute total cost in app, clickable results. Okay, sure. How do I access eBay search API? Is that something we can just do? I'm imagining, I don't know if I'll need permissions for that or if it'll. Oh, right, okay. For the kind of tool you want, the relevant eBay API is a browse API, specifically the item search summary search. eBay documents endpoint is okay. Create a free eBay developer program account. Create an application to key set for sandbox and/or production. Generate an auth. Okay, how do I do this? The catch is you can usually build and test in sandbox once you set up your developer account. eBay explicitly recommends testing, but for buy APIs, which include the browse API function family used for buyer searching. Can you call the search API in real app immediately with zero friction? Not necessarily. Okay, so I'd sign up for eBay developer, get keys, mint an application token, query the browse API search endpoint, display structure results. This is the cleanest engineering route. Okay. If production API approval becomes annoying, we can still make a useful desktop tool by generating eBay search URLs with the right filters and opening in browser. It would be less elegant, but much easier to get working immediately. That would fit your original pick card open listing. Prototype first. Okay, so Bearer token. Also, eBay also says fixed price listings are returned by default. Okay, okay. Let's go with version 1 first. We'll go with the version 1 version of it and see what it throws back. Ditch some of these tabs. Let's have some music. I was watching this VOD. Actually, I don't think anybody will care if I listen to some weeb music. Is it still on loop? It is. Let's turn that off loop. That should probably be fine. I would not try to make the app scrape eBay results. I'll make it smart search launcher. Main GUI drop-down set card checkbox. Behind the scenes lookup select the card, generate search phrase. I think there's 2 actiony for this. Let me find ambience. Ashenvale. Elwyn Forest, Revendreth? Shadowmoon Valley, that'll do. I picked the only one that's an hour. Okay. You're going to need to solve card database GUI. Since we already know Python is comfortable territory, Python custom ktinker, web browser to open eBay searches. So what do I need? Is this a thing I need? Okay. Okie dokie. So we're only so for this, should I do set then card or I need to install. Okay, it's built into Python. Awesome. Okay. I got ktinker. Maybe later pillow. I got pillow. Your next I can build. Okay, let's have a look and see how that goes. Because I think there's something it's missing, but I'll come back to it if it just doesn't have it. What I think it's missing is a card list and set list. I don't think using cam more is necessary unless cam is involved. Okay, cool. No need install needed for that. Okay, it's only giving me 3 examples per set. Unless it's green. I can't remember. No, green text is actual usage. So yeah, I'd have to build a bigger database for this specifically. Set code, aliases, twin cannon, skyterror, and twin cannon. Oh, okay, so we're using text normalization as well. That's really smart. Run it with that. Okay. So save it as Duel Masters eBay hacker d1.py. Save, minimize. So it's only giving me a couple of examples, but that's probably fine for a tester. Okay. So yeah, that's okay. Prefer English listings, open eBay link. So if I do, will this eBay link change? Yes. Okay, open eBay search. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's go with end user. Yeah. Okay, okay, so we have this. Pictures, screenshots. Let's take the set name and number of the end in English. We're using the URL generator, then what we I can check those cards specifically on press open. Okay. What I didn't check is, did it do the right thing with, I mean, it's pretty fucking close to be fair. It's got buy it now. It just doesn't have, let me just take these off. And also we need to take out the, okay, so I did everything else, I think. So, as well as the go with normalized name. Because this is good so far. eBay search has been too strict. The quotes force exact phrase matching. Adding that over constrains it. The fix and honestly the best is go with a normalized name. eBay listings are chaotic. People don't always include set codes. They usually don't. Like, let's be real, they usually don't. So instead of that, we just go to that. No quotes, no strict matching, just broad capture. Yeah, because it will, like, most people don't even do that. Like the comma. Okay, replace your build ID search keywords. I'm gonna have to make it a database. Find, build, search. Okay, how far am I taking out? Return query, is it all the way that far up? I think I need to keep the core search parameters. I think it's until here, maybe? How much do I take out? So I've got return name script. I guess maybe we're not using join parts. So I've got to take out this as well. So remove this. Def normalize instead of def build. It's gonna. I watch as it throws back errors because of the thingy. It's gonna throw back errors. Yep. I've forgotten how to run. Execute. Okay, start with, oh, it's Python. You literally just type Python. It's right fucking here. Okay, it closes now. I think I fucked the code up. I'm just gonna get to rewrite. Can you please rewrite? I think that's actually in its rules. It should rewrite for me whenever we're working with code. So, yeah. When generating, always front load and list required dependencies. When generating Python code, include progress bar by default whenever applicable. I'll always ask if they want a full rewrite of incremental edits. There you go. It is in there, I just ignored that. That's weird. So what's going on in the shitter? You know what, I'm just going to download these extra fonts. Thank you. Need these for later. Thank you for all the free fonts. I appreciate you, motherfuckers. Just, I wasn't Devil Man, it was Sanctory. Thank you, Sanctory, for your efforts. Console. Remove the console every time, please. Okay, right, so no, I'm not putting this into build. I'm not build commanding it just yet. Let's go, can you search? Okay. That's weird, it's only brought up one. We still need to take UK only out. I think that constrains the thing too much. Not that there aren't people in the UK. Obviously, it's more the case of, holy shit, that looks cool. But it's more that probably people don't generally list that they're in the UK. We... So I mean this works, but like if I take off UK only, because it's doing buy it now on lowest price correctly. Yeah, see we're getting a lot more hits that way. I bet it's the same with, let's go with Twin Cannon Sky Terror, which is not in DMO3 by the way, it's in Survivors and Mega Apocalypse. So then we take off UK only, and boom, we find Twin Cannon Sky Terror. Valkyries Ultra Rock Beast. Yeah, that's expensive. They're promos from like, I think it was McDonald's or Burger King. LH preflock is used in theory, but in practice can absolutely choke results. This tool broadly captures better or can always add optional filtering later. Here's a full list rewritten version with that completely removed. In the meantime, I'm going to need that card name scraper again. One of these many tools I have. Okay, well, we'll just start by pressing Bolshak. It definitely found Bolshak Dragon. Bolshak Yamato Dragon. Yeah, we're losing issue. We're having issues here. We'll just switch it to English so we find them. And then we go to incorrect listing, but whatever. Yeah, and it brings up exactly what we had last time. If it wasn't so fucking expensive. Not this, the postage. Oh, just look at that. Cool, but it's Japanese. Okay, so we've got 7 hits. So if I change that to English, take it off English, and double check for... That monitor's flickering as well, it's making it really hard to look at. Yeah, there's 4 in English, so it's skipping over 1. Pretty damn good. I mean, otherwise it looks pretty good. Deathblade Beetle. Also pretty sure that wasn't... Yeah, it was DMO1, not DMO2. Okay, but we are getting hits now, which is good. Okay, that works slightly better. Now. I have from a previous project a set of source code, Duel Masters, and a wiki, yeah, DM, from DM01 to DM12. I think what we need to do next is for each set create a full list of names, card names that can be grabbed from the drop down menus. So I already have the 12 set listings. Not sure where they are. Yeah, there you go. GMO1 source file. But these are all the effects. No, okay. Read each local text file for card extractor. Uh, okay. If I give you the, for example, you create some that just rips the name and puts that. And we have complete eBay jack. That's the thing, is we were using it for something different before. Important bit is the actual cards have contents and every card entry is in this pattern, so we can just rip every tooltip entry, stop before the next major section, as avoids accidentally pulling everything else. No install needed, real path lib because they're part of Python standard library. Python 3.x is required. Okay. We'll name this card name Ripper. What is it currently doing? What does this do? Oh, okay, so it's just reading the input and output file. Okay. Card name Ripper. .py. Where's the output that to? Probably desktop. I imagine it'll probably be desktop. That didn't work. I've got to put it in the file with it. Okay. It should just overwrite the one that's already in there. Right. Goddamn Ripper. Oh, it output it as GMO1 card names. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Oh, it ain't the cleanest way to do it, but it works, so fuck it. That's DMO34, yeah, good luck with that. I guess I could just drag it in and overwrite it. That wouldn't be too hard. Yeah, literally. How fast it does it as well. That's always nice. Good one. A life could be dreamed. Okay. What's this way? We'll generalize it into scan that file in a folder, extract each set, build one. Okay, so all 12. Long. Oops. I keep doing it. I'm retarded. It's because I'm tired. PM01 space. Duel Masters and Master Duel. See instead. It's pretty. This goes hard. Dun, 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 dun. In a full rewrite of this, so nothing gets half broken by patching the wrong section. At least it knows I'm stupid. Put the Python file in the same folder as my card name files. You got it. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Card names, card names, card names, card names. Just double check these. Maya, Rimwell, Sirius, Quizval, Siri, Natasha, Trova, Elixir. Azonius, yep, okay. So I've got to put the checker in there as well, or rewritten version. Why doesn't it put this one on the fucking desktop, bitch? So look down the drop down list based on the card set now. I'm gonna get a t-shirt with that. Run it. Missing file. GMO4. It is there. Okay, we have an issue. In search box. It is there. Search. Why is it throwing that error? The file, it's a naming mismatch. Your card is looking for, but your actual file's a name. Did I not give you them correctly? I did give you them correctly. DMO4. Oh, it normalized them when it's saved. Okay. Yeah, I'll rename them. I'm stupid. It's weird that it's through up. It's the only one that isn't named properly. Right, so I need them. Rename the files to match the code. Right. Fuck me. They were all actually correct. You accept that. Don't select all, you piece of shit. Wonder why it started out putting them after incorrectly after 4. Must have been something I did when I was fiddling with the code. Dun, 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 dun. No, just rename them. Like, there's no point fucking with that. Okay, so now we can go to Survivors of the Mega Apocalypse, and we'll go down to Kulos, Soulshine Enforcer. Fucking excellent. Oh, okay. Wait, they actually... No, they are English. You get a set of them, but... Niche Bertwitch. Why is eBay in German? It's not, it's just the name. This is weird. Oh, it must be what it was listed as. Okay. There's our boy Yukon. Explosive fighter Yukon. What do you want? What's this? Yeah, I know. Dumb piece of shit. Let's go Gazarius Dragon. What set is this? Oh, shit. DMO 7. Gazarius Dragon. And works as intended. It's not important. Is that a sexy smart search bar? I'm always... This might be something you commit to memory. I always recommend full rewrite. Because I'm just a Python. So it's far safer for you to rewrite than for me to try and do the code and fuck it up, which wastes time because you have to rewrite it anyway. Obviously I can do it sometimes, but it's like on extraordinarily minor shit, so... New search bar, typing filters the current sets card list live, changing set resets the search box. The filter finds matches, the first result is auto-selected. If no matches are found, the card drop down clears. Everything else still works the same, no need for any of the dependencies. import take UK message box. Pass import quote plus import web browser import re. See, it doesn't want to do it like that. I'm glad it just keeps being named version 1 because otherwise I'll fucking lose it. I need him to. What was that? Make a card drop down auto open while typing. Add a search bar and for card name plus Duel Masters. No, we won't do that one. Yep. Okay, that works like a charm. Has a 13th option, which is something like this, but can that work? I might have to make a 13 for this. Yep. When a real card set is selected, card search filters only within that set. When choose is selected, card search was across all cards from 12 sets. Card drop down shows matching cards from a full database. That's clean, intuitive, and honestly more useful. Perfect. Here we go. I should probably save this. Oh, I also need to make the console fuck off all the time. What is hentai? The niche porn that the world can't stop watching. It's not niche. It used to be niche, it's not niche anymore. Maybe the fucking 3-foot tall rabbit, dude. You can only smash through. Which one are you getting rid of? I don't even know who this is. This is the sister or something from Lilo and Stitch. This is the mom from Incredibles, and this is just... yeah, I can see the argument. Hold on, what's the name of the girl in... El Dorado. Chell. How old is Chell? Okay, it never says. Okay. 20 years old. Cool. We put a fucking rabbit. Being in the early to mid-20s from many sources, listing around 20 years old based on design maturity and role as a young adult. No interest. So why not canonically confirm the best answer is around 2022 in her 20s. If you ask how old will she be now, she'd be fucking old. Good job. What is this? Pass on Helen Parr. Who the fuck is Helen Parr? Got it. Not furry, semi-furry. Furry, very furry. What are you doing? Please reconsider. I'm saving that. That's a good meme. I know a lot of people who need to see that shit. Who even thinks about smashing a cartoon character? Not you. Can I just pick the rabbit 3 times? What is wrong with people? It's so weird. It's like there's people who do smash and pass on Pokemon. Bugs Bunny are cool for the rabbit. Judy is the non-negotiable one. Who's Judy? I don't know anything about Disney. Clearly. I grew up with it, but I don't fucking remember any of it. Playing Death Stranding, okay. Bash. Shame we can't find a way to put a progress bar on this. Okay, so card search. Okay, good. Let's go with this. What set is this? Oh, okay, that's from a set past English. So we're just gonna ramp down and we're gonna go down. Midnight Crawler. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. That's a good way to test. Perfect, look at that. Yeah, makes sense, but I did find it, so... Postage, man. Okay, excellent. The next upgrade would be showing the set name next. No, let's not do that. Well, actually, no, that's not too bad. I'm gonna close that. I don't need to open them now. Yeah, it doesn't show up because it's a promo. I forgot. I need to make a list for promos as well. It's gonna take a while. Shit. Okay, I need to create. I'm gonna save the as. eBay card folder. Close this right now. So I need to create a list of every promo. Where the fuck is the tab? It's here. Let me grab one of these just so I can see. Okay, it's just a list. Just have that twin cannon sky tower. Also, just have that innocent hunt available. I think we need to click on it. Holy are. I think it's only 1 hour. That's the Yukon I used to have. Agree. This chair is really fucking uncomfortable. We used to have the Holo Nocturnal Giant. Fail. I see it's in an evolution feature, but what's the other part of it? It's a survivor. Oh, it gives other creatures survivors. That's cool. Motivator. Locomotive. Making sure with these two that I've got the fucking names right. I didn't get that one right. Oh yeah, because that. I don't know if those are the ones I've got. I just don't know if they're the right ones. Bricks. Everything hurts. I'm gonna. Once this is finished, I'll just go to bed. Ow. your new chair really badly. Really was hoping my back would click there. Just like that. I should copy paste someone's name again just to make sure. Cool. Oh, hey Cyber, how's it going? German promos. Already got him one. Lothric. Just a fish, Rex, Darkrai, 3-2, Mighty Shower. And McDonald's promos. In Japanese, the draw count of brain serum was reduced to 2. Thought Probe had its name. Oh. Effect change from if your opponent has 3 or more, draw 3 to draw a card for each opponent creature. Mariner Monster cost increased from 4 to 5, and number of cards revealed reduced from 5 to 3. Astral Warpower cost increased to 6. Power increased. Why was it only originally 2? Oh, I see. Yeah, 2 mana, draw 3 cards is a little bit fucking mental. Power decreased and attack restriction changed to can attack untapped. Opponent discards 2 cards. That's actually reminds me, because I used to have a version of this that could only attack. No, I'm sure I used to have a version of it that could attack only. Hello? Music? Motherfucker. Okay. You can now search globally without losing context. Future sets won't collide. You're only one step closer to rarity filters, set filtering, multi-set comparisons. If you're join this directional or open drop down while typing, highlight matching text, add rarity filter, show price previous in line. Very few cards released in set. So BY if we search. So I listed all the promos. Looks like we add another set promo, and obviously the text normalization to remove everything in brackets, which is just the promo number of that card. Don't shit her. Grok, help. This Matrix evolution is truly the worst. Well, no, because Resurrections exists. There you go. Problem fucking solved. Like, it's just a meme. It's not that deep. Data loading, all sets mode, display formatting. As a 13 real set, expects a new file. Keeps promo entries exactly as written. In promo set mode, the eBay search removes the trailing promo code in parentheses. Search becomes just that. In choose mode, promo entries keep their raw text. Oh, it's crashed. Oh, it's crashed. Just not having a good time. It looks like it's actually done it, but I didn't realize this conversation was this long already. It's completely fucked. Oh wow, this is fucked. Oh dear. Okay. Create a new text file called promo card names, which is what I have called it. Just to be double sure. One per line. No install for that. Cool. What's wrong with it now? Promo card underscore names dot text. Promo underscore card underscore names. Yeah, it's because it added a fucking .txt, so there's double txt on it. So arc find the astounding. Cool. So we want a promo. Okay, so we know Lost Rigs is, yeah, it's still not. Promo. Lost. Yeah, it's not reading it. Why isn't it reading it? Okay, the promo list isn't reading. File exists, but the set name is loading as empty. Nope. Oh yeah, of course it would be empty because I didn't fucking write it yet. Didn't save it, so I ain't gonna read it. Lost Rigs, yeah, the iridescent. That's extraordinarily cheap for a promo. I'm gonna find a way to fucking suspend its ability to do that. Yeah. Very picky. Okay, so I guess I'll just wrap this into a thing now then. Perfect. Okay, so now what we need to do. Okay, we got Pine Installer build command. Your Python script or DM gardening power. After building your usable setup will be like this. So the simplest way is build the executable, copy those folder beside it. Can we wrap everything into? Yeah. Means those text files get packed inside it instead of living next to it, yeah, because then I don't have to fucking worry about these. Okay, so it's rewriting the code. Can't wait to lay down, my back is killing me. So I got a good hour and a half in and I did exactly what I set out to do. Still need to do the other thing, so... I just thought it was Fable. Yeah, the only real upgrade I could see to this would be like if you could import an image to it as well, but I don't guarantee that. Okay. Okay, that's an issue. Let me try putting them all on the desktop. Which version of the program is this? Okay. So I saved it, but it should have only overwritten this copy of it. So this must be the master version of it. 1.8. Okay, so what I need... You know what, I'll just put them on the desktop and it will compile it that way, I hope. God, that looks hideous. Goodness, error. This is a power server CMD not report. You copy the command written CMD. Oh my god. Do not run Pi installer from your code is and run Pi installer from there. You can open the terminal where your code is. Well, it doesn't work. It's not called that on the desktop. Goddamn program. Happy no. Makes me want to hurt people. All the files are there. Running Pi installer from system page 2, yeah. It's just like something build script. Oh, I randomly into Arcadius. Aren't all these in English available, are there? Oh, okay, there you go, found it. Oh, it's because it goes the lowest price first. Makes sense. Zarya Dogathorns. You start giving these icons. Purpose build collector utility, like genuinely if someone collects Duel Masters cards, they ain't having it. Next is where things are spicy. Open or open when typing sort results alphabetically. Search wide button. Search terms. Remember the last select that. Full live eBay listing into the app. Sort by those. Oh well. Current prices for alert on under price listings. Auto refresh searches. I think the thing we need right. Nice. Perfect. See if there's anyone to raid. Guess we could raid Kaido. He's doing subathon. Assuming he lets us raid. Oh, he's on break. You know what? Fuck it. It'll do.